To hide the apps on Realme Note 60, first we'll need to launch our settings. Then scroll down and look for a special features, click on it, and now select the hide apps option. Now we need to unlock our phone if you have a lock screen. If not, it will ask you to perform a setup and add the lock screen option to your phone. And when we're inside the hide apps, then you can select the specific apps that you want to hide, click on them like this. Then for the first time, it will ask you to set the access code, and we can do it by going to the settings and now enter the number you want to use as the password for hidden apps. And in this case, I'm gonna go with 1212, or actually it needs to start with the hash. So hash 1212 and end like this. Now when we save it, to access this hidden app, as it should be hidden, and yep, it's gone from my phone, we need to open our phone dialer, then open the dial pad and type in the code that you've inserted, and that way you'll be able to access hidden apps.